Hi, I'm Mehul Harry with Developer Express, and new for the 2008 Volume 3 release is a new performance benefit we've added to all of our ASP.NET controls. It's called Combined Scripts, and it reduces the number of requests that are made by each of the products to load JavaScript files for the client-side functionality. So basically, this means that the amount of requests that the ASPX Grid View or the ASPX Scheduler will make to load those JavaScript files will be minimized to one request per product. So if you have your ASPX Grid View and ASPX Scheduler, each of those products will only make one request instead of several requests, and this will give you a benefit by having your pages load faster. So let's take a look at how this feature will work. To show the combined scripts feature, I've loaded up the ASPX Grid View local demo that shows the customization window for version 8.2, which doesn't support combined scripts, and version 8.3, which does show the combined scripts feature. Let's take a look at what happens when we load up this page. Now, this page has a lot of things going on it. It's a demo page, so it's going to be heavy on the images. But you can see that we're using a round panel as well as a nav bar and the ASPX Grid View, as well as a combo box. So there's quite a few controls on here that'll show that it requires some JavaScript files as well as images to be loaded. And I'll use the Fiddler tool to monitor this. So first, let's clear out Fiddler. Now, to reload this page and make sure that it reloads completely, I'll do Control F5, which will reload the entire page. Now, this will let us see what's going on in Fiddler. So in Fiddler, if I sort by content type, I can see here these are JavaScript files. So in total, I have 12 JavaScript files. That basically means that there are 12 requests going back to the server. Now, they don't take a whole lot of time, but the number of requests that keeps going up will increase with the amount of pages that you have. So you really want to try to minimize the amount of JavaScript files that you need to be loaded. And basically, because these are JavaScript files that get loaded on the client side, we could combine these into one. So instead of using, so these probably, one or two of these probably relate to the grid view, a few probably relate to the round panel and so forth. So let's see what happens now when we use the combined script feature in 8.3. Let's first clear out the Fiddler tool, and I'll load up the 8.3 version. I'll hit Control F5 to reload the entire page. Go to Fiddler. Now I can see we went from 12 requests down to 3 requests. So basically what it's done is that per product, per ASPX Grid View or the round panel or the nav bar and so forth, as the JavaScript files that are needed will be combined to send just one request. So that way we don't have several requests, and you'll see that this gives you a performance boost overall. And finally, I want to mention that you don't have to do anything extra to enable the combined scripts feature on the controls. Starting with the 2008 Volume 3 release of DXperience, all of the ASP.NET controls will do this combining of the scripts automatically. So as you saw, this benefit can greatly enhance a page that uses several of our controls. And even site-wide, you may notice a performance enhancement. And this feature is enabled with the 2008 Volume 3 and above version numbers. Thanks for watching.